Hello and welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. Lisa here to share Whimsy Stamps' August 20th release. I'm so excited about this release because it's time to get our spook on, and Whimsy Stamps does it best. We'll be sharing giveaway details and samples shortly, but let's take a look at all the fun new products releasing first. Let's start off with the cutest trick-or-treat kids. 4 adorable kids dressed in their Halloween best are featured in this 4x6 clear stamp set. Color the images using your favorite medium and create a quick and easy scene with the Haunted Paper Pack or Whimsy's Slimline Hill House die. Whatever the scene, these cute images will make your Halloween cards too cute to spook. Next, she's a bit goofy, a bit cranky, so witchy, and ready to flip the switch. She has broom hair and she doesn't care. The images in So Witchy are going to pair perfectly with the new POOF word die set. Stick around, it's coming up shortly. 3 images along with 5 sentiments are included in this 4x6 clear stamp set. You'll be in the spirit in no time with these 3 boos. With Hey Boo, you'll find 3 ghost hungover headstones and 5 sentiments. You'll want to pair these images with Whimsy Stamps' Build a Graveyard die set. Next up, Boo Day. It's a great stamp set to create cute Halloween cards and October birthday cards for friends and family. And there's no better sentiment than Happy Boo Day to you on both occasions. Next, we'll take a look at Wizard in Training 4x6 clear stamp set. The coordinating outline die set is sold separately for this stamp set. There are 3 main images included in the set: a cute wizard and his dragon, 7 detail stamps, and 4 sentiments as well. To create a magical card, pair Wizard in Training with the Enchanted Forest or Enchanted Kingdom slimline paper packs along with the Build a Castle die set. Next, you'll find enchantment in this stamp set, Halloween Magic. And you can purchase the coordinating outline die set separately. 3 sweet images of a witch, her broom, and her friends, along with 4 sentiments are included in this stamp set. It's sure to bring a smile to the recipient's face. That brings us to our first standalone die set in the release, POOF. Another awesome word and shadow die by Whimsy Stamps. The word POOF in 2 sizes along with 5 bursts are included in this set. And that's going to bring us to the last die in the release, Halloween Scarecrow. His silhouette is spooktacular on an eerie ink-blended background or paired with the Nevermore 6x6 paper pack. You're going to be sure to check out samples by design teams on their blogs and social media accounts for more inspiration featuring the Halloween Scarecrow. And that's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details for the August giveaway. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. Now, to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Each month, the winner will be picked from those comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click the notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below, and if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up because YouTube seems to really like those things. You can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps shop and browse the items. Please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us. And until next time, please take care.